Hey guys, Tiki Tech Guru here today. So I'm starting trigonometry, and well, the first thing that you start off learning in trigonometry is this beautiful unit circle. So I am going to show you today on how to memorize one part of it, and as the course goes on and as I learn, the unit circle will start getting bigger with more pieces of information to know. So the first thing to do and start off with today is I'm going to be showing you how to mark your unit circle. Now it's totally easy, and I'm going to do it by first doing it in the fractions of sixths and then in the fractions of fourths. Alright guys, so let's get started. So first, let's start off with the fractions of sixths. So here's how it goes. This right here is going to be 1/6. Then this right here is going to be 2/6. This is going to be 3/6. And so obviously you know that 2/6, if simplified, is 1/3. So we're going to label it as pi over 3. And then 3/6. Now 3/6 is a half. So this is going to be pi over 2. So moving on. So that's 3/6. Now we're going to go into 4/6, being right around here, 5/6, and then 6/6, which is basically pi. So now obviously you saw that this is, so that's going to be 2 pi over 3. And then, of course, 5/6. Well, this is going to be just 5 pi over 6. All right, guys. Well, the labeling of the 6 doesn't stop here. You have to actually keep going. So watch carefully. So the next one is going to be 7/6, which is going to be here. 7 pi over 6. Then we have 8/6, which is going to be here. And this is also known as 4/3 pi. So it'll be 4 pi over 3. All right, so now you have 7/6 and you have 8/6. When the next dot is 9/6. So in 9/6, that is going to be 3 pi over 2. Is 10/6. So, and then after that, we have 11/6. After that, when we get up to here, it's obviously 12/6, which is basically 2 pi. So that's 2 pi over here. Going back to the first two dots that I made, which was 10 pi over 6, you can actually simplify 10/6 to 5/3. So it'll be 5 pi over 3. And then the next one is going to be just 11 pi over 6. So there you have it. Now this is the sixth. Alright guys, the next segment in labeling the unit circle, we are going to be doing the fourths. So this is how that happens. So this here is 1/4. So it'll be 1 pi over 4. And so then 2/4 would be 1/2, which is pi over 2. And so then 3/4 would be here. And this would be labeled as 3 pi over 4. And then it expands to 5/4, which is going to be here. 5 pi over 4. And then next you have 6/4, which is basically simplified to 3 over 2. And then after that, you have 7/4, which comes in between here. So I'm going to write that right here. 7 pi over 4. And then, of course, we know the next one is 8/4. So that is 2 pi. I will add in more information and things as the unit circle is more expanded on and more touched on, because trigonometry lies around this whole big map of the unit circle as you see here.